So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can power on a Samsung Galaxy device when the power button itself isn't working. Now this may happen to many users of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone because it is commonly reported that the power button often gets damaged. Now without having to go to the shop and with the power button in a damaged condition, there are a few troubleshooting steps that you can take. Let's look at the steps involved. Now the Samsung phone comes with a USB charger. Even if it doesn't, you need to have an original Samsung charger. So I want you to take out the charging cable, and I also want you to have a laptop. Now with a laptop that's been powered on, what I want you to do is insert one end of the charging cable onto the USB-C port of the laptop. So I will just insert this. So I've inserted it to the one end of the laptop. Now with the other end, I put it on the phone. Now here, what I want you to understand is this thing needs to be done fast. Before you see the charging symbol on the phone, you need to hold on to the volume up and volume down button immediately. Otherwise, this thing doesn't get initiated. So you will see certain options, you will see a blue screen and then other things, but it will happen only if you hold on to the volume up and the volume down buttons together immediately after you put in the charging cable onto the phone. Now the laptop has to be powered on, the charging cable has to be original. Now let me do the steps. So you will be presented with this screen. Now it says, warning, a custom OS can cause critical problem and in phone and installed applications. If you want to download a custom OS, press the volume up key, otherwise press the volume down key to cancel. And it says volume down will cancel or restart the phone. So I'll just hold it a bit closer so that you can see. Like I repeated the steps where again you put in one end of the charging cable onto the laptop, other end to the phone, and before you see the charging sign on the phone, you need to hold on to the volume up and down buttons. So don't worry if it takes time for you. Now you simply need to tap on the volume down button just once, and as soon as you tap on the volume down button, you will see the Samsung logo will appear. At this point you can take the charging cable out if you want to, otherwise you can keep it inserted. It's not much of an issue. The phone should reboot. Now in a few moments the phone will reboot and the phone will work normally. So in case you have been using a Samsung phone and the power button isn't working, this is one thing that you can do. Now many Samsung users have also reported that in their devices, when you press the volume down button, the phone simply shows the charging sign and this reboot thing doesn't happen. Now if that's you, and even I have noted in a few Samsung phones like this, once you press the volume down button, the phone simply throws up the charging symbol and the phone doesn't reboot as such. What I will advise is you will be having the pin ejector with you. Also you may use sharp objects like a safety pin or a earring. In this cases, in case your phone is one in which this thing isn't working, I will advise that you use the SIM ejector pin and hold on to the power button. Try, because the power button is damaged, right? So just try and use the sharp button on the power button and you will see that it's quite possible that your phone will reboot. So in cases where you are holding on to the volume up and down button, you get the blue screen, you hold the volume down button and the phone doesn't reboot, try using a sharp object like a ejector pin or other sharp objects and you will see that your phone gets rebooted. So hopefully one or the other trick will work on most devices. So even if the thing is damaged, try using sharp objects and you can navigate around the damaged power buttons. And the another solution is obviously you can go to the shop and have the power button repaired. Hardly takes a few bucks, but you get the power button replaced. So guys, I hope today's tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family. I know how helpful it can be. Your super thanks, your likes, your comments, your appreciation means a lot. If you are facing some other issues, please do let me know. Like I said, this trick works for almost all sets, But then there are few sets on Samsung when it doesn't work. Use sharp objects like this. Also, let me know what worked in your case so that this helps the other public as well. Thank you.